Can you tell me why foreigners must visit Pakistan?
Oh, I mean, you know what? The food is obviously one thing, but it's not just the food. I think Pakistan, and this is, I mean, everybody has discussed this before as well. Pakistan is one of the most beautiful places that you will ever visit, especially when you go to the north, when you see the Karakoram highway, when you see Hunza, Skardu, when you go to Gilgit-Baltistan. Unfortunately, there are some, obviously the overall agenda of the West is usually directed towards saying that Pakistan is a terrorist country or Pakistan is not something, it's a danger zone. But we have been living in this country. It's safe. It's open for travel for all kinds of travelers, and I really hope that more people could come here and explore this place.
Yes, I would love to call to all foreigners come and visit Pakistan because the experience you get here, it is unbeatable. You cannot compare with any other countries. So let me know, you have been traveling around in Pakistan. Which destination is your favorite one?
I have a couple of favorite destinations, but if I were to choose and pick one, I think it would be Skardu. Because, I mean, Skardu is one of those places which is not as populated as, or as popular as Hunza. I mean, usually people would say Hunza, but I think Skardu is one of those places, if you go to Skardu, there's a direct flight. It's one of the most scenic and most beautiful airports in the world when you land in Skardu. That is where you fall in love with Skardu, and just from there you could go to multiple deserts. So there is, imagine being in 0 degrees and just being in a desert.
Yes.
And in Pakistan you would not know that there is something like this there in Skardu.